Well, hello everybody. I'm using the new camera right now. Hopefully this works. But let's see. What I did was I put a slit on the high spot, right? All these high spots. Put a slit, and then I just did a little scribe here. So when I pushed it in, it would bend on this scribe. And then I took a hammer and dolly and rounded it. And I rounded it here. And anyway, got that one in pretty good. This one here, I replaced the whole section because by the time I got through cutting all the high spots, it looked like that. All these pieces. So I figured, what the hell, I'll just replace that panel. And I did that little one there. There's a high spot there. Cut it. Oops. And so cut it here, tapped it in so it's flatter, welded that up, and there's a hump here. I got to put the frame back on to see if the motor is going to clear this hump. I don't remember if this was in the way or not, but anyway, I got this out of the way. I got this out of the way. You remember this thing here came down. I got that out of the way. So that's pretty good. And while I was there, I cut that thing out right there. Cut that out. I'm going to patch that hole. And that's where I'm at right now. And we're going to see if this camera works. So anyway, this is a test run. So I will see if it works and then go from there. Hey. I just finished grinding those spots, and it looks pretty good. And I had a weld on the inside because when I welded it, it doesn't go all the way through good enough to do a nice grind. So I welded on the inside also, which makes it nice and strong. I ain't got to worry about nothing cracking or anything like that. So my next thing is going to be to put the chassis back under there and make sure the motor is a-okay. And like I said before, I'm not sure if this hump is going to affect anything. If it does, I'm just going to have to fix that. I'm not sure, but it looks like it's pretty good. If you look on the top here, so you look on the top, it looks pretty good. Come back over here. Okay, well, it's not the exact same as that side because of the way the firewall was shaped in the first place. But anyway, after I do the frame, I'll put it back up there, and if it's good, then I'll fill in that big old hole on the bottom. And we'll see what happens. All right. Yeah. All right. I put the body back on, and voila. Looks a lot better. Not very close at all. And I did this one here. This one came out real nice. I mean, it's really far away. That's cool. There, the body is in the right spot. The transmission mount has to be re-drilled so I can, or the bracket that holds the transmission. But I'm not going to do anything with that until I change the transmission. I'm going to do the overdrive and all that stuff, so it's probably going to be in a different spot. But I did that little hole there, pretty cool. So my next thing, I'm going to take the body back off and finish doing some sanding and all that stuff to the firewall. And I have to do some stuff on the inside to finish that off too. That's it. Pretty cool. I like it. It's happening. Getting closer.